The American Society of Science, Engineering, and Technology, or ASSA, welcomes students from all corners of the world to participate in the ASSA Quiz December 2025. My name is Arsh Faisal. I am one of the members for the ASSA High School Committee. I am studying in 11th grade at Lexington High School in Lexington, Massachusetts, and I will be your ASSA moderator for today. Before we start the ASSET quiz, I would like to give a brief introduction of ASSET to students who are new to the program. ASSET has been successfully conducting monthly quizzes for school students since 2023. The ASSET organizes monthly quizzes designed to spark curiosity and sharpen knowledge across science, math, technology, engineering, English, history, social studies, and geography. These quizzes are tailored for elementary, middle, and high school students, making learning fun, competitive, and globally inclusive. ASSA started the ASSA Open Quiz Challenge from the month of July this year. So what is the ASSA Open Quiz Challenge? The pre-quiz questions are posted on the ASSA YouTube channel at ASSA Online 700 approximately 1 week prior to the commencement of the actual ASSA quiz. You can visit at ASSA Online 700 on YouTube to watch and prepare yourself for the ASSA quiz. If you want to be the first to know the posting of pre-quiz videos, please subscribe to the ASSA YouTube channel. Take a maximum advantage and be an integral part of asset educational activities as an assets ambassador to build up your resume for the better future. Apart from the quizzes, Asset's vision is to bud future scientists by providing scientific platform to high school, undergraduate, and postgraduate students alongside of internationally famous senior scientists to learn and share their knowledge with other science-loving audiences. This scientific activity is done through the ASSA Annual Hybrid Conference. ASSA has successfully organized four ASSA Annual Hybrid Conferences on an international level. The fifth ASSA Annual Hybrid Conference will be announced in a couple of months. ASSA also presents on social media including YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. Please visit the link ASSA Online 700 on YouTube to watch and learn the award ceremony and amazing research work presented by high school, undergraduate, and postgraduate students, including junior and senior scientists. We're using the Kahoot platform for ASSA quiz competitions. Since January 2025, ASSA has been conferring 10 cash prizes or gift cards, considering the overwhelmed participation of students. The rules of the quiz are there will be 5 cash prizes or gift cards with a value of $30, 25 US dollars, 20 US dollars, 25 US dollars, and 10 US dollars for first, second, third, fourth, and fifth places respectively. Anyone from 6th to 10th place holders will receive $10 each. Pre-registration of the participants with their full names and school names is required to receive the ASSET quiz prizes. As soon as the quizzer announces the Kahoot quiz code, please type it in immediately to join the quiz. The quizzer will allow 5 to 15 minutes for your entry into the quiz, depending on the number of participants. Please bear with us in case of a little delay. Please mute yourself and do not speak into the microphone or write your answers into the chat box, as that can disqualify you from the ASSET quiz. If there is a disagreement between the competitors, the quizer's decision is final. With that, I'll share my screen so you guys can see the code. Alright, so the Kahoot code is 6214687. Alright, so we'll be starting the quiz now. Again, please do not shout out your answers. Uh, Unmuting will be disabled for all of you, and you will have the meeting chat. If you have any questions, please ask in the meeting chat, but please do not shout out your answers in the chat. Thank you. Also bear with me because I'm a bit sick. Thank you. Welcome to the ASSET quiz. First question. Which process is responsible for the movement of water across a semi-permeable membrane? Diffusion, transpiration, osmosis, or evaporation? Yeah, the answer is osmosis. Which blood vessel carries oxygenated blood away from the heart? Yeah, the answer is arteries. Which law explains why passengers fall forward and a moving bus stops suddenly? Yeah, the answer is Newton's first law. Which component of air varies the most in percentage from place to place? Please also stop annotating the screen. Which cell organelle releases energy by respiration? Yeah, it's mitochondria. Which mirror is used as a rear view mirror in vehicles? Yeah, the answer is a convex mirror. The splitting of white light into its constituent colors is called. Yeah, the answer is dispersion. Which hormone controls the level of glucose in blood? Yeah, insulin. Which type of reproduction produces genetically identical individuals? Yeah, the answer is asexual reproduction. Which type of wave can travel through vacuum? Yeah, the answer is electromagnetic wave. Which physical change is reversible? Yeah, answer is wax melting. Which part of the brain maintains posture and balance? Cerebellum. The SI unit of electric current is, yeah, the ampere. DNA stores blank information. Yeah, genetic. The conversion of of sugar into alcohol by yeast is called, yeah, fermentation. If x plus 5 equals 17, find x. Yeah, the answer is 12. The square root of 196 is, yeah, the answer is 14. If the radius of a circle doubles, its area becomes, yeah, 4 times larger. The graph of y equals 2x plus 3 represents a, yeah, straight line. Any non-zero number raised to the power 0 equals, yeah, enters 1. If the probability of an event is 1, the event is, yeah, the answer is certain. Probability works on a 0 to 1 scale. So the graph of a quadratic equation is a yeah, it's parabola. The mean of the first 10 natural numbers is yeah, the answer is 5.5. The value of pi correct to two decimal places is yeah, 3.14. A number divisible by 9 must have digit sum divisible by yeah, the answer is 9. Which latitude receives maximum heat throughout the year? Yeah, the answer is the equator. Black soil is best suited for the cultivation of yeah, cotton. The warm ocean current that affects Western Europe is the yeah, the Gulf Stream. The latitude at 23.5 degrees south is known as the yes, tropic Capricorn. Which continent has the highest average elevation? Yeah, the answer is Antarctica. The Great Barrier Reef lies off the coast of yeah, Australia. Maps showing specific themes like rainfall or population are called
thematic maps.
monsoon winds reverse due to seasonal blank differences. Yeah, pressure differences. Long-term average weather conditions are known as yeah, climate. The meeting zone of land and sea is called the yeah, the coast. Indian Standard Time is based on blank longitude.
Yeah, 82.5 degrees east.
Who is known as the Missile Man of India? Yeah. The right to education was introduced by the blank amendment. Yeah, the 86th. The UNESCO headquarters is located in blank. Yeah, in Paris. Which of the following is not renewable? Coal, wind, or solar? Yeah, coal. The discovery of India was written by blank. Yeah, it was written by Nehru. HTTP stands for. Yeah, hypertext transfer protocol. Penicillin was discovered by. Yeah, it was discovered by Alexander Fleming. Animal Farm was written by. Yeah, it was written by George Orwell. The smallest unit of computer data is a. Yeah, it's a bit. The Indian Constitution came into force on. Yeah, 26th of January 1950. Artificial intelligence aims to simulate human. Yeah, human intelligence. The Nobel Prize was started by. Yeah, by Alfred Nobel. The study of word meanings is called. Yeah, semantics. GPS stands for. Yeah, Global Positioning System. Thank you all for attending the ESSET December 2025 quiz. So yeah, those are the top three. Um, let me. All right. ASSET thanks all the students for participating in the ASSET quiz for December 2025, the last ASSET quiz for the year. ASSEC congratulates all 10 winners who came from first to 10 places. Unfortunately, I do not have access to the top 10 as of now. I can't see that, but I'll be able to go in and make sure all of you get your gift cards, cash prizes. Congratulations to all of you once again. Thank you all for participating and see you next month.